Bang! Guys, wagwan! Guys, I'm here again. You understand, with an epic loyalty test for y'all. You understand, to see what is going on into the world right now. But first, before I got into it, before I start this, bro, before I turn on this camera, bro, I have to check out myself right now. I get this fresh cuts, bro, line up sharp. Here, designed by Lex, right over here on Instagram. I need y'all to follow her right now. Go over there and DM her and get your hair done. You understand right now? And subscribe to me right now. You understand, guys? Loyalty test. Loyalty or lust? Will her boyfriend cheat with another woman? People, I don't want no cap. So let's see.
I know he said it over there, but just like, as much as I don't want to say it, do what you got to do. You know? Like.
Today we're placing Crown's boyfriend to a loyalty test.
How are you feeling about everything?
I'm a little nervous, but
Having any second thoughts, any regrets?
at this point, no.
Our friend Madeline will be testing Sean's loyalty by hitting on him and asking him on a date. Will he remain loyal, or will he entertain Madeline's advances?
I always hope that they're not down. Like, I'm sorry, but also, like, we gotta free our homegirls from their boyfriends, you know?
1:22 p.m.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
What's up?
Did you get my text from last night?
Which one?
The one about picking my charger up from my friend's house?
What about it?
I was just calling to make sure that you got it and you don't forget. Did you check like how far her house is?
No, hold up, let me see.
Sean's loyalty test will be taking place in this LA home. Madeline is pretending to live here. To get him over, Crown asked him to pick up her laptop charger that she supposedly left behind.
It shouldn't be that far, honestly. Just make sure. She told me she'll be home or she'll be free like between 3 and 5. And actually, I'm gonna give you her number. And yeah, I'll text you her number after, and then you can, just kind of like facilitate that whole thing with her.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you so much. My boss is like right in my ass right now, so I have to go. But I love you, and thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, I love you.
Love you too.
The love you there, sound right. You understand? It come with a sigh. Yes, what I say?
So my boyfriend, he used to work at. I had another friend who also worked at. They were coworkers or whatever, and she worked in a different department than him. But she would tell me that there was a girl who did work in his department who, at first, it was just kind of like whatever, but then it ended up being like they were really friendly with each other. And I don't know, as somebody who's in a relationship, I just that raised red flags for me.
Right, I feel that.
Yeah, asked him about the relationship, what was going on there, if there was something at all, and he said that they were just friends, everything was cool,
Red flag.
What does your friend say? Like they flirt a lot, or how does?
Well, let me just be honest. She's biased because she's on my team. So yeah, she really does make it seem,
play it up
like
a little
she
bit,
does. Yeah, she says they flirt all the time. They take their lunches together, and on their lunch, it's not like, hey, like, oh, you happen to be eating lunch? Let me sit down. It's like, let's go, take our lunches together, right? And then multiple times, like, okay, one little lunch, whatever, right?
Yeah.
But then it's like, if I'm hearing like this is a consistent thing, like y'all are, what the is this,
Yeah.
Crown wanted to test her boyfriend's loyalty because she's been very suspicious of him talking to or cheating on her with his coworker. Well, technically his now ex-coworker. You see, Sean eventually left that job, but he's still hanging out with the old coworkers and talking to that girl.
Red
He
flag.
got fired from.
Red
And
flag.
I was low-key happy because it was like, okay, now you don't gotta deal with the girl. But then I found out like he's hanging out with the old coworkers, he's going to bars with them.
Oh wow.
All types of like that,
Red
and
flag,
she's there.
Is he inviting?
Guys, you think this is a red flag, bro? Comment red flag for this guy. You understand? Yes. And subscribe right now. Thank you very much.
To go
And he's
out?
not inviting me. No.
And you know for
Red
a
flag.
fact that when he goes out and hangs out with the coworkers that she's there?
Yeah.
Have you met her before?
I never met her.
Did you think to
I
confront
know
her
what she looks
ever?
like. Yeah, but at the same time, it's like if I don't know anything for certain, I can't just, you know what I mean? And it's really not her. I don't have an issue with her.
For sure.
For as much as I know, she don't even know he's in a relationship. But it's him.
Yeah.
He needs to understand that you're in a relationship,
Right.
and that's just not how you operate,
And you said that one of the reasons why you want to trust him and you almost don't want to do this is because he gives you access to his phone.
He gave me the passcode a long time ago, and I don't know, I just never used it.
You've never checked his phone?
I've never gone
Bro, why Madeline look like that, bro?
his phone. One, I just feel like I don't have to. I shouldn't have to.
Yeah.
And then the other thing is just like, I feel like if you're so adamant about me checking your phone, like you're so open to it, then you probably deleted the you don't want me to find. You know, of course, now I feel like I should have checked the phone, but whatever, we're here. Whatever the outcome is,
Oh, Madeline look like that. You understand? Why she look so focused? Yeah, Madeline, why are you looking at me like that? Eh? Why? She look too like a she, like she is the one, or she go through it before. She have experience, so she just. You understand?
gonna accept it. I've given him a lot. We've had so many conversations. I've sat him down so many times and just been like just be honest with me, you know? He says he's being honest, but it's just like there's different stories. I'm getting different stories from different people that just don't add up with what you're saying. And you know how people talk about like, oh, this is my work husband, you know, stuff like that.
Hell no.
You know what I mean? Like I don't know if they're doing that type of shit, but like I'm gonna just have to be the crazy bitch today because I gotta know. You know. And by the way, feel free to do whatever, okay? Like,
Okay.
Whatever you feel like will tempt him.
Yeah.
How about it?
Whatever.
She said do whatever.
Are you 50-50?
I'm fully 50-50.
Fully
I
50-50.
don't know. I genuinely do not know. A part of me, you know, really trusts him, but we wouldn't be here if
Seems like
Some people
Madeline
would-
man is there, so she said do whatever. Madeline wonder if she have to kiss him now. That's another loyalty test right there.
That doing a loyalty test would be like a break of trust as well.
At the end of the day, it's something that I'm doing for, you know, the sake of saving my relationship. I don't want to just let it go or just go cheat, you know, and just go do my own thing just because I'm assuming that's what he's doing. You know, I want to know for sure before I start making different moves.
I think she already knows though. I think she just wants solid
For sure,
proof.
but she doesn't have solid evidence yet, so.
That's where you come in.
Madeline began communicating with Sean and narrowed down his arrival time. We needed to control exactly when he would be coming.
That's your car right there, right?
Yep, that's me.
Yeah, we definitely gotta move that.
Yeah.
If anything, we'll just have one of our guys, if you're okay with that,
Yeah.
drive it up the street. After making sure everything and everyone was set up and ready to go, all we had to do was just wait for him to arrive.
Scared.
Scared?
Yeah, I don't know. Like, this is crazy.
Oh no.
I always want to have faith in the male species, you know?
After waiting for another 30 minutes or so, Sean had finally arrived.
Oh yeah, this is him. Hello?
Hey, what's up? I'm outside.
Okay, can you come to the door and I'll come grab you?
All right, sounds good.
Is that his car?
I think I couldn't even see. He drives a black car.
Madeline makes her way to the front door to greet Sean. She carries a glass of champagne in her hand.
Oh, he's coming. Oh,
All right, y'all. Game face.
The idea is that Madeline's been day drinking, celebrating the release of her new music, so her job is to act a little tipsy.
Hey, how are you? Madeline. What was your name again? Sean. Come on in.
Thank you. Okay, here we go. We got him over. That's good. It's a good first step.
Sorry that took so long. I was getting more champagne and I'm here with my team right now. This is Sean, guys. He's here to get a charger.
Madeline introduces Sean to her supposed team, her music producer Nathan and her manager Kyle. If you guys recall, to narrow down his arrival time, Madeline told Sean that she had a meeting with them that would wrap up by the time that he got there.
Congratulations on your new project, on your drop. I'm really excited to see that.
I'm gonna send you some more beats tonight too.
Oh, yeah?
I have like 2 more.
Hey,
for like
she
the
look hurt already, bro, because she know he's going to fail.
project. Let me know what you
Yes.
think of them. I chefed up a little bit.
And then I'll call
Yeah,
you
we can
later
hear
with
it.
the numbers and how much everything's gonna cost.
Okay, sounds so good, guys.
Nathan and Kyle fulfilled their jobs. A
Hey,
small
if I was a person, just to do these tests, bro.
but critical in getting Sean over at a certain time and also making sure that the rest of this test would be believable.
I wish I knew that Crown was sending such a hunk to come over to get this charger. I would have gotten ready a little bit more.
Look pretty ready to me. Look.
Thanks. Would you like a drink?
I'm good.
Okay, I'm gonna put this away then.
I be crushing these side rolls, you feel me? I'm not just a decoy out here. He probably thinks I make the virus beats in the world, bro. All right, cool, whatever, it's fine. He believes it.
I usually don't date drinks, but we're celebrating. We're celebrating.
Celebrate.
I mean, I don't know. Can you keep a secret? I really want to tell you. But you have to keep a secret. Okay, you have to pinky swear. Pinky swear. Okay. I'm
Bro,
gonna be.
red flag. You come over here to get a charger, bro. You get the charger and go, bro. You understand? So, red flag, guys, right? Red flag.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, come here. I'm dropping my first single on my Vibes on EP tonight. And it's R&B.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Cheers. I'm literally like so excited about this.
I can tell.
Would you be down to hear a song? You know what? Actually, no. You hear a song, you tell me what you think, because I would love to have your opinion, and then I will give you the charger.
It's like that.
It's like that.
Got it. All right.
I need some extra ears on this, you know?
I can spare some time. And it looks like I don't have a choice anyways.
Okay, let me just get some more of this real quick. You sure you don't want to drink?
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure? Okay.
The next step of our plan would give us access to Sean's phone. Madeline just needed to execute it flawlessly.
Are you positive that the password on his phone is still the same?
I'm not positive, but I'm almost.
Okay.
You should.
Okay, oh wait. Do you have your phone on you?
Yes.
Okay, can you leave it there, please?
Why?
Because I don't want you to like be secretly recording and then possibly leak my new song.
What am I'm not gonna leave.
I'm sorry, I just don't trust you like that. I don't trust you like that. Please, just leave it right here.
Seriously?
Please. I'm so serious.
Alright.
Let me see, make sure you don't have anything. Oh, what's that?
It's my wallet. Chill.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry.
What do you think it was?
Honestly, you don't want to know. Come on in.
Madeline takes Sean into the office, closing the door behind her.
You can sit here. I have a speaker over here.
Okay. Let's let them start the music.
A seemingly paranoid and tipsy Madeline successfully manages to convince Sean to leave his phone behind so that he wouldn't leak any of her new music. In reality, though, we simply wanted Crown to have access to his phone.
These songs, this whole project is based around of
Bro,
love
by
and
this test going, like, not even this one. By these loyalty tests going so smooth, bro. Red flag. Red flag, bro.
wrist. This one's acoustic though.
Our music started.
Yes, let's go. Oh my god.
On top of seeing if Sean would cheat with Madeline, we also wanted to help Crown find out what the relationship between Sean and his ex-coworker was. Her name is Evelyn. Are she and Sean really just friends, or are they something more? I mean, remember guys, Evelyn was the whole reason why Crown wanted to do this test in the first place. We had to give her some sort of closure.
You ready for this? We're live? We're live.
Sure about this? Positive about this? Once we do this, there's no going back.
I know.
There's no going back once we do this.
The way you love me, baby, I don't understand.
Oh, it died. Oh my gosh, it died. Okay, I'll play it on my phone. Here.
Now, I think many of you would agree that
What
we
is
should have
happening,
followed
bro?
Sean and Evelyn around and found out if they were hooking up.
Remember how his phone is, okay?
We considered it, but in the end, we didn't want to spend possibly weeks stalking them to hopefully catch them in the act. Next time, we'll send Nathan, though.
It'd be better just to kind of catch them in the act of doing that.
How do we have 2 weeks to go f***ing spy on these people? Don't you have anything better to do with your time?
I definitely do, but I'm invested.
Let's see these stars. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's the same.
And just like that, we were into Sean's phone. Now, we didn't want Crown to go through it. We simply wanted her to change her name with Evelyn's, delete both of their message threads, and then text Sean something with, "Hey babe, ... We would then get Sean to look at his phone, and he would hopefully think that it's Evelyn. His response to that text would tell Crown everything she needs.
Wow. This setup is well official, bro. Trust me. Guys, don't be in this situation. Okay, subscribe right now to this situation right now. To my channel situation. You understand, guys? Big up here on yourself. Need a fresh cut? Here designed by Lex right over on Instagram. Go text her right now. You understand? Yes. You need your fresh cuts? Lex. Okay? Big up.
to know.
You don't have to read anything if you don't want to.
So, his name is Evelyn, but he's an Eva? He's an Ava.
There's no Evelyn.
Interesting. He's an Ava.
Is it her?
Surprisingly, Crown couldn't find an Evelyn in his phone. All she found was an Eva, which could have been short for Evelyn.
That one's you.
So good.
You like it? Thank you. This one's called Gotta Have It. So this is like my third favorite.
Madeline continues playing more music to buy us more time.
They be talking, like they have full conversations. What the But see, okay, but do you see how some of these, I think he's deleting shit because do you see how like some of these are, there's so many gaps. Like he said this yesterday, right? Then the last message was Thursday.
She said in trying to figure out if this was or wasn't Evelyn, Crown inevitably ended up reading some messages. I didn't want to show them because I wasn't sure if this was even his ex-coworker, but their thread was interesting. There were gaps between messages. To give you guys a visual example, here's a message thread between me and my friend. You notice the gaps between our texts? Our thread looks like this because we hardly text each other. We communicate more through voice messages or just call each other. So Sean and this Eva girl didn't text each other very frequently, or Sean was deleting messages.
Bro, what is in the phone? Show
See, like there's
us.
so many gaps. And clearly they be talking. He's deleting. He's deleting all this. See, like it's like he's deleting messages. So like they're talking.
Bro, just
so
record.
much.
Just slide through and record the whole thing, bro.
I know, it's gotta be.
And
I don't
then
blame
you
Crown
watch
for
it
assuming
back
the
on the
worst. I
guy
mean, we're
camera,
filming
right?
the loyalty test after all. The reality, though, is that Sean may not be deleting messages. That doesn't mean that he and this girl aren't communicating in some other form, though.
I'm good. I'm done. I see it. That's all enough. So switch Ava's name to my name.
Yeah, once you do it, there's literally like no one back. Like he's gonna know what you did eventually. He's gonna figure it out.
I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so.
Crown was convinced that Eva was short for Evelyn and that Sean was deleting messages, so she moved forward with our plan.
Just delete your thread too.
Oh yeah.
And with that, our mission was accomplished. All we had to do now was send Sean that text. By the way, shout out to Madeline for holding him there. She actually did drop some new music, guys. That was a part of the test, but not an act. Go check it out and download it now.
So this one's actually like, oh yeah, I could tell it. She's got a little freak in it. Everyone gotta have a little freak in it.
My heart is pounding. Oh my god.
You think he's deleting?
Yeah.
Or you think they could also be like voice chatting, or like they're communicating like in some other form, like maybe it's like a phone call or something, or Snapchat or something, and
I
then
didn't even think about that.
Bro, test him
I
out
should
a
have checked all
different
his
way, bro.
maps.
A part of me honestly felt bad, guys, because Crown had held off so long and not going through Sean's phone, and our plan low-key made her go through his phone. Now we had her in her head about even more things. Maybe it's gonna turn out to be nothing, though. Maybe Eva isn't even Evelyn.
Either way, just the fact that they're like texting back and forth.
yeah.
I don't know how to feel right now.
Oh, we should probably just prepare the text that you're gonna.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna say, hey babe, what you doing tonight?
Maybe not that tonight, because Madeline's about to ask him. Like,
yeah. So hey babe, what you doing?
So he might get suspicious.
Okay.
Don't tell me yet. I'll let you know when it's in. Just hold on to it. Yeah.
Swear to God, if he responds something like,
Ideally, he should say, "Who the babe? What the you mean to text this?" Or
Yeah,
like, "You
yeah.
got the wrong number," you know, like
he better respond, babe. Who the is babe?
something along those lines, right?
Guys, subscribe, okay? Thank you very much, alright? There you go.
Thank you. Please tell me you like it. Please tell me. I need validation.
Like, it's so good, honestly. Like, I really like them genuinely.
Really? You're just saying that.
Oh, well, like,
You're just saying that because you want your charger back.
you're actually really talented. I would listen to that.
Yes, he said he's a fan. 8. Winning hearts, winning souls. 8. I was only supposed to show you one song.
Hey,
It's
she's
okay.
singing the Kendrick Lamar song. Trust me.
I gotta get you out of here. Let me get that charger for you.
Okay, prepare to send the message. He's gonna grab his phone right now.
I think it's in the living room though, or kitchen. Maybe we go check to see if it's over here. Thank you so much though for taking the time. I know you're probably busy. Do you have any plans later? No plans? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on.
Go for it, 10 minutes.
We're not done here. I just want to make sure you're not. Oh. Oh, okay. I think you got. This is your phone. Yeah, this is your phone. You got a text from Ava. Check your schedule too, but I have to use the restroom. So give me a second. I'll be right back.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
And so with that, our plan was done. Crown sent the text, Madeline made sure that he
Yo,
saw it,
that's
and
smart,
now all we had to do
bro.
was wait for his
Official.
response.
Is he texting?
There's no doubt about it, Sean saw the text. The question was, what would he reply?
Okay, I'm not gonna pee. I don't want you all to hear me. I really have to pee though.
Sean was on his phone, but no text was coming through.
And he responded.
He's not responding.
Yeah, who is Ava, bro? Oh, I see what they're doing now. I see what they're doing now. Okay, okay. He's not responding. Alright, let's get right into it.
No, he's just looking at it like
You think he's catching on?
he could. At the same time, like I don't.
This man really went radio silent on us, like he's on his freaking phone. Madeline pointed out the message. He saw it, he read it.
You got me thinking
Yeah,
about
you just-
family.
He's probably on social media or something. He's seriously not texting him.
He's not texting back.
He is seriously not. He's on his phone.
That's what I'm saying. He saw it.
He's on his phone. He's not.
It's like I know you saw that.
Come on, Sean, give us something. Even if it's an emoji or a confused question mark, something to tell us the dynamic between you and this other girl's relationship. Prove us wrong about you. Now is your chance.
Okay, I'm really gonna go pee though, guys, because I gotta go.
I really thought he was gonna text back. The only reason I can think of him not responding is that
Bro, when
he's
you're doing these things, bro, you have to think about the negative and the positive, bro. So the positive, you text him. The negative, if he's not gonna text back. You understand? Yes.
of it because there's no other messages. I mean, hopefully he thinks that he deleted the thread.
That's true. I didn't think about that.
The headline is pink.
So maybe he's like suspicious about that, but
Man, I really thought we were going places with this
Yeah,
plan,
why-
but unfortunately
why
not.
she takes so
Sean
long?
didn't text back a thing. Madeline gave it 3 to 5 minutes before going back outside. More than enough time to take a piss and for this man to reply. I thought we were going places. I really, really did.
Oh my god. I had maybe a little bit too much champagne. So sorry about that.
We may never learn the dynamic between
She
him and
could
this
even
Eva
take
or
long.
Evelyn.
What if she and her month? You understand?
I mean, if they're even the same person, but at least we are going to learn if he would be willing to go on a date with Madeline, which honestly still says a lot.
By the way, just so you guys know, this was completely unplanned. The fact that you guys are matching.
I know.
that was little down to the foot.
Down to the foot, Lucas. No free toes though, no free toes.
They're matching for real.
I'm gonna have half a glass more. Gotta keep the party going. We
More,
are.
just to get it.
So did you get a chance to check your schedule?
I'm pretty free.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm down to like
Free.
hang out. I'll be done like around 8. Maybe we can meet like at 9.
Yeah, I mean, what do you want to do though? You want to stay here or you want to go out?
Probably just stay here, have some more champagne, and
Red flag.
chill in the jacuzzi. I do, yeah. I also have a few other songs I could show you, so maybe.
I feel like for this, bro, like that's already a fail. That's done. There was no hesitation. That means he's doing this all the time.
The fact that
Yeah,
Sean
bro.
was down to hang out with zero hesitation does say a lot. He probably already sensed Madeline subtly flirting with him and he was with it. Maybe this is why he didn't text anything back.
Well, I mean, it's none of my business, but who is Eva? Eva? Eva?
Yeah, she's just a friend. She was just checking in to see what I was up to.
Just a friend. I mean, it seemed like a friend thing.
Nah, she's playing. She's just a friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I just don't want to step on any toes, you know? And like, obviously, Crown is my friend. Like, when she texted me earlier, she's like, hey, is it okay if my BF comes and picks up my charger? And like, to me, it didn't click to me like, oh, is it boyfriend or best friend, you know? So I was like,
I mean, we're a thing, I guess.
a thing. Like, what does that mean?
It's complicated. It's like.
He just said it's complicated.
Like, situationship, talking, dating.
You know, it's like we're on, we're off.
Oh, okay. So it's one of those.
Yeah.
Red.
So are you guys on right now or off right now? Like, would she care if we hung out tonight?
Sound like a switch.
No, I mean we're just hanging out.
Yeah, but what if like something happens?
I don't know if it happens, it happens. You know what I'm trying to say?
How do you
Red
take
flag.
that?
Deal.
I don't have any words right now.
I mean, at the end of the day, like, none of my business.
These things is hurt, bro. Trust me. This is what people been going through out there, guys. Best you just stay single, bro.
I can care less.
Still
You know?
can
I
find
just
love,
like
though.
don't want to step on anyone's toes.
No, we'll be fine. You know, we're just hanging out. Yeah.
So, I mean, I'm just saying, like, you never know what's gonna happen. We're gonna be like in the hot tub. It's like if we're gonna be drinking, I'm not gonna let you drive home. You know, like you're obviously more than welcome to stay.
You're most lucky. Well, what can you do? So
Hey, shut off.
Okay, so she wouldn't
Shut
care.
off the light.
I didn't say that, but
He knows he's wrong. Like, he can't
He
even
doesn't
say
want
it.
to answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, he can't even say it.
If it was my girl saying something like that, bro, oh my god, we going to jail.
I mean,
I'm going straight to
It
jail.
would be over. It'd be over.
Okay, well,
Going
I'll
to jail
see you
for
later.
what, bro? Like going to jail
But
for what?
let me look
Huh?
for this charger. I know it's in one of these drawers. Sorry I kept you for so long.
it was good time, good company. So.
I'm glad. Here, finally. What you came for?
Thank you so much.
Of course. Oh wait, is that the one with the
Bro, that
wait.
should have been done long time, bro. You should have get the charger a long time and leave, bro.
Oh wait, that one's mine.
Oh.
Man. Ugh. Let me check in the room really quickly. It has to be here something. You can come with me. Can you help me find it? I don't want to keep you much longer. I'm really sorry.
Me all over this.
You know, alcohol makes you forgetful.
Yeah.
Let me check over here. I don't know. Where would it be? Where would it be? Look at him.
Looking.
Damn. Crown catches Sean checking Madeline out. This man was not just looking, he was also licking his lips.
Maybe it's over here. So many wires. Oh! Found it.
This time.
Ah, we
Is that
found
it this
it.
time?
I'm so
You're
sorry.
good. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, but now that I have you here, really quickly, I totally forgot to show you something. Okay,
Madeline initially gave Sean the wrong charger so that she could bring him back into the office and show off her merch. With the correct charger now literally in his hands though, he can leave. There is nothing holding him here anymore, unless of course, he wants to be here.
okay, sit down. I'm gonna give you a little fashion show.
Okay, he's got the charger. He can now
leave.
leave.
Go home.
He doesn't have to stay anymore. He does not have to stay anymore. He can take off.
So I have
Red
two designs.
flag, bro.
These are just like tests,
Mock-ups.
mock-ups. Like yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you my least favorite.
Red flag.
So I have this one. Oh,
The alcohol's empty.
I know. I'm sorry. Okay, there's this one.
Okay.
This one be for the boys.
I like it. It's a simple one.
So I'm Madeline Monet. I know I didn't tell you that earlier. That's my artist name. It's also my real name, which is like really cool.
Beautiful name, honestly.
Thank you. Here, you wanna hold it? Check it out. This one is my favorite. This one's custom made though.
Okay.
This one also says Time is Monet, but it has like a little graphic
I like
like
that.
all over.
I like that. Is that for the girls, I'm assuming?
Yeah, it's like a mini dress.
That's it.
It is. Hey, I want my girls to feel bad. You know, like, I mean, you listen to my music, it's like,
Nah, yeah.
it's sexy,
Boss
boss,
bitch energy,
like
yeah.
sensual, lover girl. It's pretty good. Can I sit?
Yeah.
Okay.
What? She's sitting on his lap? What the?
Bro, that's finished, bro.
This is why we wanted to give Sean the charger before Madeline ultimately sealed the deal.
She don't want to see
This
anything
man had a
more,
chance
bro.
to leave, and even now he has a chance to push her off, but he doesn't.
How do you take this?
But
How would you take it?
Hi.
stupid.
So, what do you think?
I like it. Like, you're very creative, you know, in every way.
Every way. Yes, I try. I do try.
Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. I'm
I
sorry.
do not cry.
No, you're good. No, you're good. You're good. I'm sorry.
In my opinion, there was no point in continuing this any further. I mean, Sean told Madeline that he and Crown were complicated, that they were on and off. He was down to hang out, he was down for whatevers, and I know Madeline was the one that sat down on his lap, but he could at least say something. Instead, he chooses to put his hand on her waist.
That's way too comfortable. Bro, why the is he letting her sit on his lap like that?
He's enjoying this a bit too much.
Oh, he probably thinks they really gonna smash.
This is ridiculous. This needs to end.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't really have any words right now.
Do you see a point in continuing this test to like a...
I mean, like at this point, I feel like I don't need anything else. I got like pretty much everything I needed, so I'm like,
Yeah.
I don't care. I'm over this. Honestly. Yeah, I'm over this. I can't even.
Is it hot here? Like, is the...
I'm fine, honestly.
Oh, you're fine. Okay.
Look how he's looking at her, though. That's crazy.
Did you want to have a conversation with him and confront him about everything?
Yeah.
Still wanted to do that?
Yeah, I do.
Did you still want to do
What
what we
is
talked
he
about in
gonna
terms
say,
of you going out there without the cameras and kind of like
Guys,
interviewing
what is
him to
she
see what
gonna
reaction
say,
he gives you
bro?
first? And then
Gonna
the
say,
cameras
oh,
come
I
out
still
just
love
so he
you.
doesn't like freak.
I still love you. Yes, I still love you. That you do this, like, bro. You wanna have a conversation with him? No. You understand? I say you go.
Yeah.
You don't do that? Okay.
It's complicated.
Well, so tell me about yourself.
Our plan to find out if Sean was cheating with his coworker didn't exactly pan out how we thought it would. However, we did find out that Sean was willing to trade his girlfriend for another girl, which, like I said, says a lot. I hope you guys have your talkies for this, because you guys already know. This shit's gonna
Red
be
up. Red.
Remember, it'll be just you until you
Red
call
flag.
out without the cameras.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing, mister?
You're shy for.
I'm not that tipsy, boy. You can't have your way with me.
Kyle Nathan, we are ending this here. I will walk you guys when to come in.
She can hear.
Okay, perfect.
Madeline?
Oh, yeah?
Somebody else here.
It sounds like it. You wanna come out here? Do you wanna, come on.
He's so confused. He has no idea what happened.
Hey, boo.
Choppy shock.
Come, I wanted to see y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you? What's up? Why are you acting?
Yeah.
Chilling? How are you?
Are you chilling? Why are you over there? I'm like, come here. Like, sit down.
Oh, he looks guilty as
Oh, he knows. Oh, he's scared.
Sit down. Like, what is so?
What's up?
Can I get you a drink, girl, please?
So what's up? What you doing? Like, what's going on?
I just came to get the
Oh, you got my charger. Thank you.
He's either really confused or he knows exactly what happened.
So for 10 minutes, you've been looking all over the house for this, and nothing was going on.
She's a little I don't know what to tell you. She's your friend.
Okay.
What? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
I just, it's your friend. Like, what is all this hostility?
Honestly,
Like, you're a little defensive right
I feel
now.
like interrogating me.
I don't even understand. Like, I'm literally, I swear to you, I'm just trying to understand. I am just trying to
You
understand.
told me to come get your charger.
Right.
I have your. It's right there, right?
It is right here.
Exactly. So like, what's the problem?
Well, the problem is, she could have brought that mother charger to the door.
Hey, you're acting like insecure.
I'm acting
Bro.
insecure.
Oh, he knows. He knows why she's there. He knows.
Are you serious?
Okay. So, question. Quick, I'm just curious. Are we together, in your opinion? We're a couple, not wishy-washy, like we are together. We are
That's
a
what
couple.
together means, right? Yeah.
I don't know. I'm asking you. You don't got to do all that smart ass. I just want to know if you think we're together. If you see us
I
as a
said
couple.
yeah. Why are you interrogating me? What's this? You told me to come get your charger. I'm here.
I'm interrogating you because you're lying.
I'm lying. What do you mean I'm lying?
Because you're lying to my face. Now you've been lying to my face.
Exactly.
Red flag,
I'm
bro.
not
Are
acting.
you dating me right now?
You got me up.
Her acting insecure.
Why didn't you leave?
Like, I don't gotta answer your questions, man. Like, you're tripping. What is all this?
I was sitting on your lap for like 5 minutes.
That's how you operate.
I don't know.
That's how you do
I
it.
didn't do that. What the yo women be thinking sometimes, bro.
Are you serious?
I tried to give you like multiple chances to just kind of tell me what the happened.
And I told you what
And you
happened.
told me what the happened, but it was all a lie. And you know how I know it was a lie?
How do you know it's a lie?
Because I have a whole entire camera crew watching you. We were watching you the whole time.
All right, let's go.
Roll out.
Come on, Nathan, let's go.
Just because I knew you were lying.
Camera crew, as you roll out there, you subscribe to me, alright? Oh, guys, subscribe to me right now. Alright, big up on the set. Trouble.
Like I really wanted to,
Nah, that's bull. Like, I don't-
but
Yo, what the?
you've been lying to me. Okay?
Bro,
Also,
you-
question, who's Ava?
What is this?
No.
Bro, you did all this? You feel like you did something? What the is this?
I don't feel like I did. You did some.
You like what the? You started from the door, like.
I'm freeing my homegirl.
First of all,
You're sabotaging her relationship. That's what you.
Am I or did you
I
sabotage
didn't.
it?
You were the one with
I
all the
didn't.
compliments and touching me. Nah, bro.
Touching you? First of all, what would I have to do touching my friend's boyfriend? Are you kidding me?
You did it.
you are really sitting here after I
Bro,
watched.
get that camera out.
No,
of
no,
my
no. Listen, no, you've been on camera all day. It don't matter. You are sitting here. You are sitting here, getting defensive.
Cause y'all are lying.
Getting defensive as when I watched you this entire from the moment you walked up to that
Bro,
door.
what the is this? Can y'all stop? Y'all stop?
Can y'all
More
stop?
people
No,
coming,
we're not
bro.
stopping because you're caught.
So Sean, so just so you know, this entire thing was just a loyalty test. Like your girlfriend wanted to find out if you were loyal to her or not. She felt like you were talking to your coworker. She knows about Evelyn. She knows about your coworker Evelyn or something, and she thought that you were obviously cheating on her with
Bro,
her.
I don't know you like.
None of this was real, basically. Everybody was in
You
on
over
this,
here
basically.
texting this?
Y'all
No.
stop. Y'all set this whole up.
Because you're so full of You got me up. You won't even own up and be like, yeah, I up, bro. What the is wrong with you? You won't even own up and say, I up.
Playing games like this.
I'm
is
playing
bullshit. I'm not like it wasn't even real, so I wasn't even gonna cheat. Like
Okay.
you just me. Nah, bro.
You even gonna cheat.
That
What's
is
to you?
cheating.
What is cheating
That
to
is
you?
cheating.
What
I'm
is cheating
sorry.
to you? Because if I'm sitting on another nigga lap, how does that feel? What's that? So if bet. So if I go sit on another nigga's lap, what's that? Just
No
say
one
goodbye.
wanna sit down
Bet.
for
I'm
her
about
to
to go
sit
say
in
goodbye
lap.
to hella niggas. Bet. I should throw this in your face, but I ain't gonna do it because I'm a good person. But you got me hella up, bro. Real.
Nah, y'all are crazy, bro.
So if I go sit on another nigga's lap,
Do what you want. You know, you
What's
set
that
this whole
called?
up, right? So it's like I guess we're over already. Do what you want.
Hell
Bro,
yeah.
get that camera out of my face for real.
You don't gotta be here if you don't want to, Sean. You know, we're
no,
just.
you don't gotta be here. Get the
I don't.
no.
I don't.
I don't even know why you are here. Take this goddamn stupid ass charger too. I don't give a
Charger?
the charger. You the charger.
Bro,
Take all that.
Yeah, bro.
You weird as you're weird as
Yeah.
I don't give a about no all y'all. Nigga got me.
is
Oh
sad,
my
bro.
god, he got me so up. Oh my god. If he was sincere about it, and he was like, okay, you know, like I did up, this happened. Okay, that's one thing, you know what I mean? But for you to try to make me feel stupid after you did all that, like you look stupid. Oh my god, I'm so high. Oh my goodness.
Hey, remember you're gonna drive, go home, so no drinking and driving, guys. Do remember to subscribe right now. You need your fresh haircut. Go over here, design by one and only Lex. You understand? Yes. So y'all reach the end of the video. Red flag for this guy. He's cheating. Obviously, loyalty test is over. You understand? But subscribe to me right now, guys. You understand? Thank you very much. People, I'm out.